Hello everyone, this is my first video lecture on Python programming. Every Sunday I'm going to share with you a video lecture starting from the very basics of Python to advanced concepts. I really hope you will find it very informative. And in today's lecture I will start with very basics of programming for those who are new to programming, and I will also share some basics of Python. It's okay if you know any programming language, that's good. And if you don't know any programming language, it is even better. Okay, so we'll start with the basics of programming first. So we as humans use languages to communicate, and in those languages we have certain rules, grammatical rules and phrases and all. We have verbs and nouns, etc. Similarly, as we know, computer cannot understand human language. The only understandable language for computer is machine language. But we as humans cannot understand machine language. And even if we understand it, it is very difficult to remember things in machine language. Machine language is basically binary language. It consists of zeros and ones. Zeros and ones only. So since we are familiar with English, remembering our name in zeros and ones, it's gonna be very difficult, particularly if name tends to be very long. To ease this complexity, assembly language was invented, and then higher level languages were invented. Assemblers and compilers were made. I'm not gonna go into details about these topics because these are very basics. If you want me to explain it, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. In a nutshell, we're going to write our programs in English, and a language translator will translate those programs into machine language for computer, because computer cannot understand English, right? And language translator used for Python is a compiler as well as an interpreter. So basically what a language translator is, you have your programming language source code. In this case it is going to be Python. Then this will go through a translator. It will translate the code into machine language, and it is going to be readable, so computer can read it easily. Okay, this is what happens. This is how any programming language works.